What's going on, ladies and gentlemen of YouTube? Joey here from Dad Simply Cooking, and we're making the viral Ina Garten brownie pudding cobbler. I have been seeing this everywhere, and let me tell you, every time I see it, it makes me want it more and more. And I have been craving this for the last week because every time I get on any type of social media, I'm seeing this. And it's just like, hey, you need to make me. So we're making her today. So preheat your oven at 325 and let's get ready to roll. So I have 4 eggs, some vanilla, 2 cups of sugar, a half a cup of flour, and we're gonna need 3/4 a cup of chocolate or the unsweetened cocoa powder. And 2 sticks of butter. I have my butter on the oven because I want it to go ahead and start rendering down, and then I'm going to bring it to room temperature. 4 eggs into our bowl. I remember growing up watching Ina Garten, and when I seen this recipe floating around, everybody's talking about brownie pudding, and they were talking about Ina Garten, and I was just like, that name sounds so familiar, and so I had to look it up, and then I seen her recipe and the brownie cobbler, and I was just like, yo, that looks delicious. So our 4 eggs go into our mixer bowl. 4 eggs in our mixer bowl with our 2 cups of sugar. We're going to lock in place and whisk low medium until it gets creamy. We're going to whisk this for 10 minutes. So we'll be back. Her video, she does use actual vanilla bean. I don't have actual vanilla bean. So I'm going to use vanilla extract. I'm just going to do a few drops. So while that goes, I went ahead and did 3/4 cup of the cocoa powder and my flour, the half a cup, and I'm just going to sift this into a bowl, getting it nice and broken down. Wango, break down all that powder. Your unsweetened cocoa powder is going to be chunky sometimes and bricky. And we're just going to incorporate, and now we have it nice and fine. That's our main goal. We got our sugar and eggs. It's looking good. And we're just going to slowly incorporate our cocoa and our flour on in. Brownies aren't brownies without butter. And Ina in her video made that very clear. You can't have brownies without butter. So those 2 sticks have melted down. And they have cooled. And we're going to add our butter on in. And this is unsalted butter. And this is looking silky and delicious. We have our brownies ready for assembly. And I'm going to put it in this top dish, and I'm going to fill the other dish with water, like hot water. Ugh. So we spread it and even it out. So let's fill this with water. We want hot water. To our oven, 325 for a whole hour. Okay, I know it's a long time. The payoff is worth it. Look at that and listen. It's hard. Oh, I'm scared. Oh. Oh, I did it right.
Oh yeah. Get out of focus.
All right. Put it out the water. So let's give this a try. I've been waiting for a week to try this. You gotta get the ice cream with it. I'm hearing that Sarah McLachlan song right now. In the arms of an angel. This is truly magnificent. I know why her husband married her. 110%. So with that, y'all, I'm guarantee I got chocolate on my face. I love you. Drop a comment below. Like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one. Peace! Here's Ina Gartner. Okay. Ina Gartner. Ina Garten. So this is the Ina Garten part 2 video. I said it. Garden.
Like garden, but with a T.
Yeah, garden.
Garden.
Yeah, Garten. Yeah. This is the Ina Garten or Ina Garten. My wife's laughing at me because I'm stupid.